Good morning, guys. Good morning, team. Okay, we will be getting started in a minute. Please log in from your laptops. Open up your OneNote. We will do tracking as part of that. Good morning, everyone. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, good morning, everybody. I'm sharing my screen. Let's start. Let's start with today's discussion. Okay, guys, is the screen visible? Can you hear me? Give a quick thumbs up, and then we will start for today. Okay, Akshada, thanks for confirming. Chalo guys, let's get started. It's 8:32. We will be performing all the activities one by one. Okay. Chalo, let's start with today's day. First, we will do the review, then we will do the planning. Okay. Chalo, let's get started. So first of all, we will start with the day review, then the day planning, and then we will work on the job hunting techniques. Dekho, one important thing is whatever we are doing for job hunting activities, in the end, it is going to be some list of tasks. And in order to do that, these two things will be required. So just bypassing, taking a shortcut is not going to work, because eventually you have to plan it, you have to execute it. That's what your thing is going to be. So we are trying to consistently do this. So it's very important. And then comes the techniques and other areas. Chalo, let's get started with the day review first. Guys, everyone, please go to the yesterday sheet. Okay. Everybody, please go to the yesterday sheet. Here we are. We can open it here. Multiple things we need to do. First, if there are any items in the done section, move it into. Okay. So whatever work is done, please move that into the done section. Whatever work is done, move it into the done section. In progress items can stay in progress. After that, scroll to the bottom and answer these 6 questions. One by one, please get started. Answer these 6 questions. How many tasks you planned yesterday? How many you have completed yesterday? What did you do right? Take some time out. Please complete the daily activities. Next, what did you do right? And over weekend, you should spend some time to analyze, okay, in the full past week, what are the things which you were actually doing right? Next, what were your areas of improvement. Okay, try to analyze yesterday. If you're not able to complete some tasks, why you were not able to do that, and try to overcome those reasons. Don't live with the problems. If you live with the problems, then you will, like, basically life will become more problematic, right? When you solve it, you get better. So try to identify the problem, think how you can solve it, work towards solving it. If solutions are not working, improve in your solutions. So continuously do that. End result, life is going to be good. And after that, write down this. How are you planning to overcome the problem? If you are not able to overcome it, do a deeper thought. Okay, what exactly is wrong? Don't draw a conclusion. Okay, no, I cannot do it. That's not the right conclusion, because human beings can learn new things, and then your skills will grow, and then you will be able to solve it. So never draw that conclusion, Arey, I'm not able to do it. Just that currently you don't know how to solve it. You have to learn that, and then you can solve it. That's the right behavior. Okay. Chalo guys, once you're done with this, please mark a quick poll here, and then we will continue with the next activity. So, did you complete your day review? Yes. Done. Or if you're still in progress, first complete it, then quickly mark. Even the members on YouTube, please do this. Yes, done. Day review. Once that is done, please do this. Then we will start with the day planning part. And if you're daily doing it, it becomes easy. So make it a habit. It just takes 10-15 minutes. That's it. But full outcome of your life is going to change. Chalo everyone, please quickly finish it. Set up your own reminders, mobile alarms. Okay, so that you can start every day at 8:30. Let's say if we are not doing it, or you want to do it on Saturday, Sunday also, your alarm will ring. You should immediately log into your laptops, perform these activities. So self-sufficiency, you have to build that, right? So set up a daily recurring alarm at 8:30 and start acting. Don't even waste 1 minute. As soon as alarm rings, get started. Okay. Build that habit for the next 3 to 6 months every single day. Okay, let's continue with the next thing. Guys, once you're done on Meet, please submit it. We can see 7 members have on YouTube have already completed. Please finish it here also. Let's move to the next topic. Okay, we will be doing day planning. What are the actions we already know? Let's perform it together. Okay, first of all, copy everything of yesterday, create a new page, today's date, and paste it here. Okay. Okay, looks like member on YouTube. Now some message came. Yeah, set up a recurring alarm. Everybody, please do this. Copy everything of yesterday, create a new page 13th of November, paste everything here. Whatever is done, you erase that done section. If there is anything in progress, move that into the to do section. Okay. Faster, faster, faster. After that, we need to just remind these statements to ourselves. We are going to do planning. So whatever you planned, we have to finish that. We should not over plan and under deliver. That is a bad quality. And justify today. That's it. Do whatever you can today. Don't do tomorrow's work today, and don't let today's work go to tomorrow. So fully productive day. That's what we want to live. Let's start planning for today. 5 things which you want to finish. Target 5, and then if you can improve, then do 6, 7. Okay. If you are less than 5, fine, but try to grow towards hitting 5. And for writing down the 5 tasks, you should consider these 3 items: new things, yesterday's pending items, or items from the past list, and have the list of tasks for today. Whatever those tasks are, write on one liner, no need to explain it in detail. When you are working on that task, then you can explore more. For now, just write down one liner pointers. And once you are done with the one liner, do the remaining 2 things. Sort it. Okay, sort it in the priority how you want to execute from morning till evening. After that, into bracket, estimate it, sort it, estimate it. So everything is there on the screen. You can watch here. Next, whatever pending items are still left here, which you are not picking up, move them into the path section. So everyone, please do this. Create the 5 tasks, arrange it in the priority of execution. How will you complete it from morning till evening? And then estimate how much time it will take. Write it down. Try to focus on that. Daily you are estimating, but are you taking more time than that? Means your estimation should start now improving also. If you say something I can finish in 1 hour, but if it is taking 1.5 hours, so learn from that. Try to get more smarter with your estimations, with your plannings every single day. Learn from your own experiences now. Chalo guys, everyone please do this. And meanwhile, I am sharing the task tracking form for today. Just a second. We will just put yesterday's thing in a proper shade. Data, sort sheet, Z2A. Okay, these are all the members who were there yesterday. Consistency is the key. Gaps are not going to help you. That's very important. Don't take gaps. These were yesterday's members. Okay. Now today we will be doing next work. Let's track it down. First, 12th November task completed. After that, 13th November tasks planned. Then we remove this, and then we remove this. Okay. So guys, once your day planning is completed, please submit this form. Here also, and here also. Chalo guys, everyone. Please quickly complete it. Okay, already some of the members have submitted. Very good. 4 members completed so far. Okay, more are submitting. Try to put a proper decent task list. Means not very small items. Try to put reasonable. If the items are very small, let's say 5 very small items, you put them as one task itself, that I need to finish these 5 smaller items. So generally have a decent task size. Otherwise you will have like 50 tasks to be done per day. So don't overwhelm yourself. Okay, have a decent size which is enough for executing the full day. Okay, let us further sort this. Data, sort sheet, Z2A. Today's streak column is KR. Here we are. Let's see how the streak is going. Okay, data sort sheet Z to A. Let's do this thing. Eliminating the blank entries. Next, sorting this. Consistency is the key. Okay, let's see. We will put the guys in, let's say, orange color. Okay, now great to see all of these guys are 10 and above. Okay, so 9 members. Now you can check it out on a daily basis. These are all the color shades. They were there at least for a few days, but majority were not able to convert. So building the right habits is challenge for everyone, and that is what you have your advantage. Now, due to whatever reasons, okay, reasons does not matter. End outcome matters in life, and if you're not doing the right things, you will not get to the right destination. So please be aware of that. Build the right things, be consistent around that, and know that it is hard for a lot of people. So they want to do it, they will start doing it, but they will not able to do it. Now that's the truth of humanity. 80% of the world will struggle with same issues. So you have to change that equation for you, okay? And then results will be better. Fine. Chalo, let's do the remaining job hunting activities for today. Okay. So guys, first of all, what are we doing? Yesterday we completed our preparation planning. First, let's do a quick recap of what did we do yesterday. So as part of this troubleshooting sheet, everybody please look at the screen here. This roadmap planning, we came up with a plan that this week from 10th November to 16th November, what things we have to do. Okay. So we took some example, somebody saying, okay, we will be spending 8 hours in preparation. Now just imagine, even if you simplify it, somebody says I will do total 10 hours in my preparation plus job hunting. Let's take it more practical. Okay. So people might say I want to work 10 hours. If you're doing better than that, means you have better utilization of time possible. So, and now let's say out of 10 hours, you are saying preparation I will be doing, let's say 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours. And then job hunting, you might plan, let's say for around 3 to 4 hours. So let's take, for example, 6 and 4 or 7 and 3. This much time you want to allocate. 7 hours here, 3 hours here. This is how your combination is happening. So that means you still have 7 hours to prepare every single day. Now you try to arrange what is the best utilization of this time. Dekho guys, now any plan is a good plan. So don't think only there is one way of doing it. No, there are n number of ways and many ways will be working also. For example, one person says, this week I want to focus only on core Java and DSA. I don't want to even do this project Spring related framework work. That's fine. Because in the end, what is our target? We need to finish all these stats. How do you do it? That is completely up to you. So somebody might say, I will be spending, let's say 6 hours or 5 hours doing only core Java today. So that with focus, I will sit for 5 hours and try to finish as maximum out of this. That is also a reasonable good plan itself. And maybe next week, spend only 1 hour that to revise, and then you can move to the next one. Now, any approach will work. Okay, point is, what is your goal? Our goal is we have to finish all of these stats. So you need to work towards that goal and daily by daily keep finishing things. Okay, some of you might say ki Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will spend 5 hours on this, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I will spend 5 hours on this. That plan will also be working. So it's not like every day you have to spend like X amount of hours. You can do a different planning. Monday to Wednesday, you will be spending 5 hours, and then maybe on Thursday to Saturday, only 1 hour. And then you can plan the remaining time also. So by this way, it's flexible, right? Whatever works for you. So guys, take a minute to really think about, currently today it's already Thursday, but let's assume we have time till Sunday, which is still 4 days. How do you want to engage these 4 days into these topics? Take minute out to even rewrite it if you want to upgrade, but n number of ways are there. Okay, you can plan it the best you can up to your situation. Guys, replan it, even though you might have done yesterday, but think about it once more. Look at your full preparation hours and try to think it. It is flexible. You can do Monday to Wednesday different planning, and then Thursday to Saturday different planning. Keep the Sunday off, a bit leisure time is okay. Monday to Wednesday different, this one different. If same day you want to do everything, that's a different strategy. If you want to split it up only in two, that's a different strategy. And your goal is, first, whatever important topics are there, you need to finish it till 50% and then start job hunting. So if you're targeting to finish it till 50%, you have daily 10 hours. That should be your first goal. If you have crossed 50%, if crossed 50%, then your goal is complete all 100% important items by spending around 6 to 7 hours daily. This is your goal. This is a strategy. Now the point is, by when you will finish it, that is going to be different for different people. Some guys might reach here in 1 week itself, some might need 3 weeks to reach, some might need 1 month to just reach here. Different people are in different race. Okay, you have your own speed. Try to do that as quickly as possible. And once you hit this, then your goal becomes like this, with this much of time frame. Once you hit this, then your goal will become move into all topics category. So by this way, we have to evolve. Okay, start working on all topic. That is how third stage will be there. So you need to work in stages. Okay, guys. Once you're done till this point, please mark a poll and then we will discuss today's topic. Okay, here we are. Are you done with hours planning, hours preparation planning for this week? Yes. And still it's in progress. Do this quickly, guys, so we can move to the next topic. Take a minute out. Think. Any plan is good plan. Don't worry about are you doing the right way or wrong way. Doesn't matter. Because next week you can relook at whether you did it right or is there an area of improvement. And then you will then come up with a better planning. So you will learn every single day. Okay. Chalo, one member is done on Google Meet. This we did yesterday itself, but still taking a few minutes because there are many ways of doing it and many will work. That's okay. You need to find what is right for you. Few suggestions: don't do too much of context switching. Means daily 1 hour I will do. Don't do too much context switching. Your mind will keep jumping here and there. So maybe 2-3 big topics per day is more than enough. Okay, 3 maximum. Don't take fourth big item for today. Accordingly, you can plan maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, something like that. DSA, you make it a daily habit because it has to be revised, it has to be done. So DSA related preparation, make it a daily habit, maybe daily 1.5 hour, or let's say even 1 hour. You start with that one. Remaining you can give here. So that's it. Just be consistent. Okay. Chalo, please mark this poll once you're done. 4 members are done on Meet, and we can see what 5 members completed on YouTube. Okay, let's go to the next activities. Now, so whatever we have completed so far, we have some plan for preparation. Okay, and the main checkpoint is you have to work very dedicated. Okay, means long hours of work, smart hours of work, and then hard hours of work. And then it is going to take 3 to 6 months for getting the job. If you do less efforts, it is going to take up to 1 year. And if you're not very consistent, not even doing the right thing, maybe more than 1 year, and we don't know when it will really happen or even not happen. So you have to work very dedicatedly this much. Please understand that. And now we have some plan in front of us. Okay, what we will follow. All these lists, we got it after working with ChatGPT for all the important things. If somewhere you know that something more is supposed to be learned, just come here, add it into this category. If it is a new one, put a new category, prioritize it, do smart planning, and then get started bringing what you need to do this week. So this becomes an engine in itself. Selecting the items, adding the items, sorting the items, prioritizing the items, and then it comes out to this week what you want to do, and you reach the stats till you finish it 100%. And parallelly now, so this becomes your preparation engine. So we created a preparation system for ourselves. Okay, fine. Now the next thing is job hunting system. So preparation system is done. It will work for you for the next coming 1 year also, and you will finish everything very easily without any pressure on your head. Now we need to build a system for job hunting also. Dekho, our basic aim is we need to get job, right? Get job. It basically boils down to 3 steps. Step number 1 is strong preparation, which we are already doing. Step number 2 is getting more interview calls, how to get the interview calls. And once you're done with this, step number 3 comes in. You have to crack the interview. And this is going to give us the offer letter. So that's how is a step-by-step logical strategy. Get offer letter. And then you are going to join. So first portion we are done. Now, as part of this job hunting system, we need to focus on this one. Dekho, please understand, cracking the interview is separate set of work itself, and your preparation is going to help you to that. For getting interview calls also, your preparation is going to help. But please be aware, all these are different steps. Every step you have to master in order to get the job. If you don't get calls, what are you going to crack? So you should know techniques for getting more interview calls, and then it will also have some list of tasks and activities to be done. Once you keep doing that consistently, automatically interview calls will happen for you. Then once the calls are happening, your preparation is also going on, then you are focusing on cracking the interview also. And that is what I think this line number 8 is saying here, that you need to do interview preparation. So then that you can do still later. But now let's focus getting more interview calls. That's the plan. Okay, getting more interview calls. How do you do that? I prepared one high level prompt, which we will be feeding it to ChatGPT and other LLMs today. Okay, just a second. Okay, something like this. Let me copy this. Now you can customize it. These are just some thoughts which I felt is important for getting ideas on job hunting. You can add it, remove it, whatever. You can modify it. Okay, what does it say? Let's put it in GPT. Everyone, first please focus, then I will share you with this prompt also. What are we going to do? Write me a prompt which I can feed it to ChatGPT for getting most appropriate response considering the current Indian job market situation. I am trying for a Java developer role with 0 to 1 year of experience. Currently, I am working in Java trainee program on Spring Boot and microservice. Give me practical best strategies for getting maximum interview calls as soon as possible. Give me all best possible tips and arrange them in a priority of impact in getting interview calls. Okay, trying to put some key highlights. What do we really want? Also, give me realistic roadmap by how much time I can get interview calls and crack them for getting the job. Okay, give all unique, effective ideas which worked for many job seekers, and maximum impact. Okay, maybe we can further add, we are doing preparation in, and we can put this so it has more details about us. We are doing preparation into these topics. Okay, so we can just take it and we can feed that also here. Let's see what comes out. Okay, pasting it to ChatGPT. Okay, okay, okay. So observe, it has provided pretty detailed action what needs to be done. It positioned the AI properly, act like an expert in Indian career mentor, and who has deep understanding of the current job market situation, hiring trend, HR shortlisting logic, fresher screening patterns, ATS filtering. So basically, all the expertise required for this work is available. Next, I want a more practical, realistic, high impact, step-by-step strategy to get maximum interview calls as quick as possible in the next 30 to 60 days. So yes, that is the best possible, because it says 3 to 6 months will be required. So in this much of time, if you can get more interview calls, life is going to be good. Give me unique ideas that actually work for fresher, not generic advice. Very good. And then we updated our skills and what basically we want. So I think it is doing a pretty great job, right? The prompt at least is very promising. Give me the best strategy for getting interview calls. Okay. Next, ordered by impact, high, medium, low. Okay, fine. Realistic timeline. Next, what should we do for the next 30 days to 45 days? Give me unique, high level, high impact ideas. Okay, not just common, but something which will really work. Ensure everything is customized to this situation, and that is pretty good. Okay, give me the final answer in bullet points, well structured, extremely practical, and immediately implementable. Awesome. I think ChatGPT has created a very good detailed prompt to get information. What we are going to do, we will paste this back into the same system. Okay, take it, paste it back into the same system, and let's see what comes as an outcome. Okay, okay, it is arranging. Okay, all the high impact means if you do these kind of high impact things, directly increases interview calls, and then it has identified 3, 4, 5 areas into this category. That is awesome. Next, medium impact, it created second level information for medium impact category. Okay, and then low impact also something it has provided. So we need to spend more time on high impact and then gradually towards the remaining things also. Okay, now we have to walk through it, understand it. Later, realistic timeline. When will you start getting the call? If you implement the high impact strategies, within this much of time, first interview call is possible. And within this much, you will get multiple interview calls, it is saying, if you are consistently doing the high impact categories. Okay, and roughly when you can crack, based upon this much, roughly it will take this much time to really crack the interview. And then it has given a practical roadmap also. What should we do in week 1? From job hunting perspective, a roadmap is there. Okay, what should you do? Resume, LinkedIn optimization, GitHub related working, and then interview related strategies, and then some work on preparation. We are already doing preparation, mock interviews, system design basics. Preparation part we are already taking care, so no need to worry about that right now. We should focus what to do for getting the job. That from this current prompting, interview cracking phase, everything is fine. Okay, next, unique high impact. It has categorized it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, a lot of things. Okay, I would suggest you to do it right now in your side also. Okay, so it gave pretty detailed and final summary as well is available. So this link, I will save it with me, so we will keep referring to it, okay, in future coming sessions. So this is the job hunting related technique. In order to paste the beginning version, I will be pasting this in the common sheet. Okay, so we go here. I'm opening the prompt sheet which we created in the early days. Job hunting reverse engineer. I will give this list once again. Today is what? 13th of November, and we added this. You put your list, whatever came in your sheet. So I'm not going to paste this in front of you right now, but you can add your own thing. Okay, and here you put your list from planning sheet, roadmap planning sheet. Now we have to understand each of the technique which came from that engine. Okay, fine. Chalo guys, everyone please do this. Already looks like some of the members have bookmarked this link earlier. That is pretty good. That is a quality of being organized so that it's easy to revisit. That's a good quality. All the 3 members who already have the link, and those who don't have it, okay, there is a scope of being organized here. Please be aware. Okay, prompt you can pick from this place, everyone. Please take it, add your item there, and submit it back into the chat GPT. Okay, even on YouTube, please do this. Take actions. That is what going to help you. Okay, nothing else works. And whatever prompt chat GPT gave, I will paste it here. So in case somebody needs second level, so I will just put that also. Chat GPT prompt which is generated. Okay, till this point. Chat GPT prompt is like this. I'm just putting it, but don't use this wala prompt. Put your own version. Okay, AI will do different processing. Please submit this, get the answer. Once you get the answer, please give a quick thumbs up. Then we will start investigating through it one by one. Okay, give a quick thumbs up, guys, once you have it. Do it right now. Don't say ki later we will do. Later you will be busy with other things. Similar activity now you can do it on other platforms. Gemini and Perplexity, and then the third one, which is Claude. So by that way, same activity what we did earlier there, we can apply it here. let me do that work as well. Okay. So once you're done with ChatGPT version, go to the Gemini version, take this prompt. We need to provide some inputs as per. I will feed this into Gemini. We will just change that. Okay. Feed into Gemini. Okay. Go. Next. Perplexity. Paste it here. Feed into Perplexity. Go. So we don't rely on one LLM's knowledge. We are trying to reach to multiple places. Next, Claude. Let's go here into Claude. Do this, guys. Prepare your prompt in all these 4 links. We already did this activity earlier. Now prepare it in all the other links. Get the initial level prompt. Once you get the prompt, you put it back in that engine to get the actual answer also. Okay. Whoa, this guy has made all diagrams and everything, huh? Okay. So let's just close this. So it created a prompt here, and it took that prompt and it has created even the answer. So Gemini has basically done 2 things. It created the prompt also, and it ran the prompt here itself. Okay. So prompt it is created, but then it is giving the answer also. Okay, what strategy should be there, and it arranged it in an order. Okay, fine. So we can pick this link. Guys, do it on all the platforms. So this is ChatGPT related. This is Gemini related. Answer is also there. Next, let's go to Perplexity. Okay, let's go to this place. Here the prompt is available. Now we will paste this prompt back into the same Perplexity to get the actual answer. Paste it here. Go. Let it do some work and then come back. And meanwhile, we will go to Claude, and then we will put this as well. Claude actually does a lot of work. I think we should spend time in understanding what Claude is actually doing. If you compare to the other LLMs, Claude also goes in very detailed with everything. Okay, so that's good. Why this prompt works, context, I need a practical. Okay, this is the full prompt which is created. We will take it and we will put it back into the same engine and go. Okay, let's pick this link also. So we will take the Perplexity link. We need to do analysis here. Nothing comes easy, guys. Everything is hard work, smart work, long hours of work, and nobody else is doing it. It's all there on internet. You need to figure it out. You need to think logical and make it work for you. Okay, fine. Everybody, please paste that prompt in all these 4 platforms and get the results. And then save the links with you so that you can go through that and then combine and have your list. Okay, what ideas will get you maximum job? We need to do some study earlier, right? Okay. First, you finish all of these 4 things. And once you're done with the 4, then you mark your poll here. Okay. So first, finish all the 4, take the links and save the links. Then you can confirm in this poll. Okay. Let me end this. Get the, did you complete the did you get the job hunting techniques on all four platforms? Yes, done. You should have the links, okay? Or maybe you are still working towards it. If you're working towards it, please take time out to do it right now, okay? And chalo, members on YouTube also, once you're done, then you can do this. We will wait here for the next even 5 minutes because this is important. If you have the unique ideas which is working, means bacha kya hai, right? If you have all the ideas which is working, that means you just have to implement it and you have to be real about it. It is going to take 3 to 6 months. You know what to prepare, you know what to do. Then it's all about doing it. So that's what we asked a question maybe 15 days ago or 20 days ago. Do you know a guaranteed way to get the job? 70% people said we are not. Now we are trying to change that as part of this entire month that we are together. Okay, you should know guaranteed how much time it is going to take and what needs to be done. Third point is you have to do it. And if you don't do it, basically you will not get results. You have to be aware of that. So at least you are not lost in this chaos of job hunting. Okay, I don't know what to be done, right? Now you're figuring it out. You're getting smarter. In matter of 1 month, better results will start showing up. Chalo, first, please complete this on all the platforms. Please finish this on all the platforms. The the early version prompt is already available. Take that and then move on to the other platforms. Log in from laptops, then only it is possible to do. Otherwise, from mobile, it is so much of text. What will you really see and read also? Right? Do it from your laptops. So it's easy. Fatafat, you can copy, paste, organize, do everything properly. Okay, 2 members are completed on Google Meet, 4 members done on YouTube. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Do this, guys. There are no secret hidden techniques. Okay, whatever techniques are available, now these platforms are giving those things. We need to just take it, implement it. Because these ideas are working for majority of the people, it will work for you also. And if you find a better idea, which is not here, you add it to this set and then work on that also. Nothing is like you do it once and you will get results. You have to repeat it. It has to become a habit. Applying, following up, referrals, networking, everything is a pattern, right? So fine. First get this list. We will wait for 2 more minutes here. As soon as 1 more minute now, as soon as 9:20 happens, we will discuss the next point. But first, please complete this. 2 plus 4 members are completed. And guys, sometimes during morning times, I might be on and off. Okay, because if some other work pops up. So in that case, you should continue doing your own day review and day planning. It is very important. Okay. I will just keep an update in the WhatsApp group when we are not having it or whatever. But ideal expectation is Monday to Friday, yes, we will do. But there is a possibility tomorrow morning some work might pop up 8:30 time, so I might need to go there. Like it happened even on 10th and 11th, we had some morning work there. Chalo guys, are you done? Okay, 9:20 is done. Let's go further. Let's go further. Dekho, now your basic aim will be ChatGPT has done some fantastic work here, giving you the initial output. Okay. Now this Google and Perplexity, generally they provide a short summary itself. Okay, so we can just take these two responses and merge it with ChatGPT response the way we did earlier, and then we will just have two places to look for. One will be ChatGPT related link, and the second one will be this Claude related link. Claude also does a lot of work. Okay, so at least we should consider whatever ideas are coming from this place also. Okay, let's see what happens. So we have to spend some time in analysis. So first what I will do is we will just copy this, what came from this Gemini. Okay, till this place, and we will just put it to ChatGPT along with your above response. We got details from, okay, Gemini and Perplexity as well. I am pasting their responses below. Okay, merge it with your response and create a final version which has all unique ideas from all the three LLM responses. Okay, continue using same. Okay, fine, that's fine. So we will here put Gemini. Okay, fine, we added this, and then after end we will be putting this guy as well. Okay, this guy really puts this short to the bullet point. So let's give this also. Okay, and let's see what is the final ChatGPT version. Below is the final merge more version. High impact strategy, very good, it kept the same order. Medium impact, awesome, क्या बढ़िया बना रहा है guys. Everything, all ideas, it kept the same earlier plan, and then sharing the realistic, and it combined the results and roadmap from multiple merged places also together. Pretty good work. Okay, I think this sounds good. Final summary. So we have the final merged. So you also now do this work. This is the final merged. What will be our plan? Final merged on ChatGPT. We will refer to this and we will refer to Claude now. These two things. So we need to analyze all the ideas. The Claude response is very lengthy, so let's not mix it, but we will parallelly go through this separately. Let's not ignore it also. Let's see what this guy is also giving ideas. But we will refer to these two ideas, the merged list here and the Claude list there. And then one by one, we will try to extract key, okay, what ideas these guys are discussing about. So your today's work will be now. Next thing, please do this. Merge this thing into one ChatGPT version. Okay, do this right now. Merge this into one ChatGPT version. I pasted, wrote these kind of few words. Maybe you can just put the same as well. Okay, 13 in the same sheet. I'm updating 13 November. Job hunting merged response, like this, and then you paste your Gemini response and then Perplexity response. Okay, guys, everybody, please do this. Everyone, please paste this. And now two links are important. And today, throughout the day, you spend at least 1 hour in just reading these two links, okay, what techniques are these guys suggesting? So this is merge of everything, and this is merge of this. Just go through these two things. That's it. That's it. Okay. After that, once you start getting ideas, what will work, what will not work, then we need to take these ideas, put it into a plan that we start working towards it. So that is going to be our approach for the next till 21st of November. We will even have a job hunting strategy also ready till this time. Okay? And after that comes implementation. We are already doing the implementation, daily preparation and review. So now you have to execute it throughout the day. We can discuss some productivity tips and techniques of how you can easily take these implementations, that we will do it maybe next week by Friday last day, how to implement also. But that's the plan. Okay. Chalo guys, that's it for today. We have a lot of work to do, and you can imagine all these ideas is work. That is where daily 3 to 4 hours will be required to do this much amount of work. Job hunting interview calls will not just happen by random. Okay, you need to spend time on that also. You need to spend time on preparation also. That's where both things are required. Okay. Chalo guys, are we clear with this, guys? Please complete it. Once you're done, please give a quick thumbs up. Please complete the merge response. If you have the two links, please give a quick thumbs up. Merge response and Claude link. Have the two things, guys. Merge response and Claude thing. Okay, Avinash is done. Have the two links. Utilize the time. You can imagine in 45 minutes, right? 8:30 or in 1 hour, 8:30 to 9:30, we know now so many techniques for getting the job. We have a concrete plan of what needs to be done for doing preparation. In a matter of 20 days, we prepared this kind of a plan, right? Means if you keep working towards it, you can know everything. And that is something important takeaway you should have. Okay. And if you don't know, it will take next 3 months also, 6 months also, you will still not know it. So work towards it. In a matter of days, you will start getting better results also. Okay. Chalo guys, please do this. Thank you everybody for your time. See you guys tomorrow morning 8:30. If there is any change of plans, I will update it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, when we are going to have a connect. Okay. Chalo guys, thank you everybody. If possible, yes, we will connect tomorrow itself. Bye bye. Thank you all. Take care of yourself. Okay, let us end the streaming. See you guys at 10, guys. Take care. Bye bye.